I think that working and thinking about base 5 can be a good way to get your head around different number bases. So let's talk about base 5 for a minute. To my knowledge, base 5 has no special names, so let's dig right into the digits for it. So the digits in base 5 will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's no 5 in base 5 because when I get up to 5, I need to go to my next place value. Speaking of, the place values in base 5 are all the way on the right are the 1s, and then the 5s, and then the 5 squareds, or 25s, and then the 5 cubes, or 125s, and then the 5 to the 4th, or 625s, and so on. So every place value goes up by a multiple of 5, making this a base system. If I'm going to count in base 5, remember every time I write a number in a different base, I use a subscript, either that number or the word for that base there. So I'm going to start with 1 base 5, and then 2 base 5. This is 2, right? It's still 2 things. 3 base 5, it's the same as 3. 4 is 4 base 5. But now I'm up to my base. I'm up to 5. I'm up to 1 hand's worth. So I'm going to say this is 1 hand, or 1 set of 5, and 0 more. That's how I write 5 in base 5. So 1, 0 base 5. Note here, don't say 10 base 5, or don't just say 10. 10 is a special word that means what I get when I count this many. Okay, that's 10. Don't use that when we're talking about other bases because it means specifically this. So here we say 1, 0 base 5 instead. And that represents just 5. This is how I write the numeral in base 5 that means how many are in there if I count them. All right, let's go to 6. So 6 is going to be 1, 1 base 5. 7 will be 1, 2 base 5. 8 will be 1, 3 base 5. 9 will be 1, 4 base 5. Because when I get up to 10, that's going to be 2 hands, or 2, 0 base 5. So I have just written a numeral that represents 10, the number 10, and it is 2, 0 base 5. K11 is 2, 1 base 5. 12 is 2, 2 base 5. All right, 2 hands and 2 more. 13, 14, and then 15, I can't go up anymore here, so I'm going to have to go to 3, 0 base 5. So there is a numeral representing the number 15. It's 3 hands and 0 fingers, so 3, 0 base 5 is 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now, I'm going to go up to 25 just to see what happens. So I'm going to keep going. So 21 is 4 5s and 1 more. 22 is 4, 2 base 5. 23 is 4, 3 base 5. 24 is 4, 4 base 5. And 25, I want to go up 1 here, but I can't. So I want to go up 1 here, but I can't. So 25 is 1, 0, 0 base 5. And that should make sense. That's a 1 in the 25's place, the 5 squareds place, and then a 0 in the 5's place, and a 0 in the 1's place. So there's an example of a number system that I think is pretty nice to think about and work with.